Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning in today. I just want to come in to show you how you can make this beautiful fluffy buddy butter at this Christmas with friends and family. I know it's so busy this period, but you can still make this at home for your friends and family. It's so soft and creamy, and you don't need to melt it. So you're starting with muru butter, which is a naturally soft butter, and you also be needing mango butter, the organic version of our mango butter. It's so soft, you don't need to melt it at all. Just make sure that it sets room temperature for you, and you'll be so happy you didn't melt it. It's so soft on its own. I just go ahead to add oils. I usually don't measure my oils. I just eyeball everything, especially when I'm making it just for friends and family. So you go ahead and mix it. I did not mash it down. Normally you should mash it down a little bit just so it's easier. You don't have the lumps in there. As you can see, I'm so busy this period, so I just wanted to make something for my friends. Everyone just asks me all the time if I've got any butters for them. So this period is a time to share. So I just threw this in and decided to make it. So when you get to this point, you just want to add some essential oils. I'm very heavy-handed with essential oils because I like my butters to smell really good. So you can add as much as you want and just make sure that you incorporate everything nicely. I just went ahead to whip it up again. Like I said, just make sure you mash everything down first before you start whipping, so you don't have any lumps in your butters. So when you mash everything down, you would not need to whip it that much. It just melts, and you just watch it as it plumps up, and it just looks so creamy and so rich, and it stays this way. Most importantly, we always have people asking us how they can make butters that don't harden. This is one of the ways you can do that. As you can see, after a while it still stays so soft and fluffy and rich and creamy, and everyone's gonna love this, I'm sure. You can also order our products in boxes these days with your selection. You can go for DIY, skincare, or hair care, and you'll be getting that monthly in your inbox as you like. So thank you so much for watching, and have a beautiful Christmas and a happy new year ahead. Thank you.